Hey guys, welcome to another video. A few days ago I uploaded a video on how to fish automatically in Minecraft using a program if you're playing Minecraft on Java or Bedrock on a Windows system. However, some of you guys were having some issues where it wasn't detecting the rod, and honestly it's hard to debug because there isn't a lot of feedback that the program provides. However, it does work for some people and it's a lot more lightweight. There isn't a lot of things going on, it just works. If you want to check it out, click on the icon on the top right of the video and it'll bring you to the video. But I updated the program. Actually, I wrote a version 2 and this time it has a full-on GUI so you can actually see what's going on, and it's a lot more easy for you to debug if you're running into any issues. So first off, you want to download the program in the description below. Once you download it, you want to extract it. Extract here. You'll get this folder and you want to go into the dist folder again and you click on the exe file and it'll launch the program for you. Once it's launched, you'll see that it has a GUI now and you can see what's going on. As you can see, it's taking a screenshot of the live desktop. As I move, you can see it. Once you see this, you just want to open up Minecraft. The good thing about this version is that you don't need it to be on full screen. You can put it on the second monitor or just have it small like this, and I'll just leave it like this so that you can see what is going on. The other good thing about this version is that you don't need to have a light source. This does work in the dark or when it's raining, so you don't need to worry about any of that setup. And to set the program up, all you have to do is follow the text here. So it says config file is not found because you just downloaded the program. It says please configure, so you click on configure and just keep following the instructions. Return to Minecraft, cast rod, press Z, you should hear a pop, then come back to this window. Now this is something you don't have to do, but I like to do for consistency. So what I do is I put a block where I would stand when I fish, and then underwater between two water blocks so that I can get the treasure, I would put a block where I can see through the water, and so this would help me indicate where I need to put my cursor every time. The other good thing about this version is that you don't need to have your rod at the cursor every time. If anything, it's better that it's not at the cursor. I'll explain later why. But as you can see, every time I put the cursor at this line here where the sand ends, the rod would always land at the exact position, which will help the program. So anyways, as you can see, once I casted it, I press Z on my keyboard and you would hear that pop. And then you'll notice that there's a new window that came up. So this is where you get to select exactly where your bobber is. So now the program doesn't just look at the center, you can select where it is. And this is what's so good about the GUI version. So you can select as many times whenever you're ready. So around like this would be good. Once you're ready, press space. And then the GUI would then say the config file is saved, and press Z to autofish. So let's just try. Let's press Z. You hear that pop? And you'll see that there's a green bar. So this green bar indicates how many red pixels it detects. And at the bottom you'll see that there's a black line. When that bar reaches below that line, which means that no red pixels is detected, then the program would right click to reel in the fish and then press again to cast. When it's green, that means it's waiting for a fish. When it's red, it's in its buffer time, which means that whatever happens inside the region that you selected, nothing would happen. We want this buffer time because whenever we cast the bobber out, you'll notice that it kind of bounces around, and we want to make sure that we don't miss right click during that time. Now to better see what the program is doing exactly, you can press on this preview and you'll notice that it is showing you exactly where you selected. And this is exactly what the program sees. It's reading the red pixels, and because there's a lot of it right now, the green bar is all the way up. The moment it goes below the screen, the region of interest that you selected, it'll reel in the rod. To better see what it's doing, you can press on computer vision. And literally what it's doing is it's mapping every pixel to either R, red, B, blue, or G, green pixel. And so it'll exaggerate the red pixels on the screen. And this is why I said not to set up your program with the bobber right at your cursor, because let's just give it a try. Let's click on reconfigure and you press on Z to set it up. Back here, select the bobber including the cursor. What you'll notice is that for some reason the cursor actually gets mapped to a red. This totally messes up the program because when the bobber goes down, there's still a lot of red pixels, and so as you can see, the green bar doesn't go below the threshold, and it doesn't do the right click for you. As you can see, it stays there because it reads the cursor. One way to get around this, if you really want to put it there for some reason, is just to press F1 and then your cursor would go away and it'll work like normal. The good thing about having this preview is that you can actually find the bobber, so that next time you want to launch this program, you can easily do that. If I just turn on preview, I can see exactly where it's looking at, and it's easy for me to find it. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. I hope this helps you out if you tried my previous program and didn't work. And for those people who just want to auto fish, honestly, this will work for Minecraft 1.16, 1.17, and all of the future updates that Minecraft will push out. If you have any problems, please comment down below. If it does work, please give it a thumbs up. And subscribe if you want more of these type of videos. I plan to make out more scripts to kind of help you automate Minecraft and do some other cool stuff. Anyways guys, comment below. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Take care.